morning from a real funky day in California. It's like, no, it's actually not that cold, but it's real damp, so it kind of makes it cold. What's up? Where's the sun at? Somebody commented in a video from yesterday, or a couple days ago, how are you riding in shorts and short sleeves? Well, it's California. But then today, look, we have this. Can't make up its mind. It's just up and down, left and right. Mother Nature in California. She might be a little tipsy, I don't know. And the dirt, it's like absurd right now. It is hero conditions, it's so good. In fact, we might be on the road bike, but we're gonna go find some dirt right now. So far, the leg's feeling all right. First off, walking in the bike shoes with my foot up, like no pressure on my shin, much better. Feeling much better. Ow, ow. That's a skid. The sign says no bicycles, but that's a skid, huh? For the love of the rules. Why don't people follow the rules? Could you imagine if we had a bicycle advocacy group that would actually get the trails to get opened, and then we maintained them? Like, we kept all the trash off of them, and everybody could use them and be friends and be happy and have a proper multi-use trail. Could you imagine what it would be like? Original plan was to ride as much dirt upstream, ride as much dirt downstream, anywhere and everywhere. However, I'm feeling like I'm gonna cut across at sunrise, go for like a backwards generic route, and hopefully I don't get lost. Bannister Park bike path, that thing's fun and flowy. And then I think I can figure it out from there. If not, I have Google Maps. So far, the turns are going well. I just didn't realize that this was like such a sundown chasing mission. No, we want to stay on Palm. So we're not going through Ansel Hoffman. Yeah, so far we're good. Except in classic Kid Kaiser fashion, this is like the sundown chasing mission. I once again seriously underestimated at what point in time it gets dark. This time of year, days are pretty short. It gets dark at like 5 o'clock. The beginning of the video, this habit I said good morning, it's actually good afternoon. But anyways, I don't know. Here, it's so pretty. Palms, get your palms on. So we're gonna go down here, left on California. And I bet you can't guess what the name of this street is. It's Palm Drive. Hey Baldovino, your spot's right back there. But, when riding down sundown, you get to see some nice Christmas lights. There's always a positive. Negative, traffic. Positive, we just passed the States. Next up, San Ramon. Got it. Make it there before dark. It's 5:05 and it's dark. All right, cleaned up. We got one more job to do. One more task, fix a reverb on a Bronson. I believe this is a viewer of the vlog as well, so let's jam to it, make sure it's real good. That's pretty much all of it right there. It's actually not that complicated. The oil that came out of it. This goes in like a real light pink color, like a rosé, like a fine Lang Twins rosé. Let's take a quick moment, look back and think about service intervals and how that's going to degrade what this is actually going to do. And if we don't stay on top of service intervals, everything is like this. It's like oil in a car. Think about that, right? You get your oil and filter changed on a regular basis. You don't get all this metal particulate in your oil that then gets into your motor and then gets jammed and then blown motor. Same thing can happen here. Cross season is nowhere near being done, but let's think about this for a second and realize that maybe you should service your suspension. Seat post, rear shock, front shock, all those things, brakes need to get serviced to make sure that they don't go kerplowy when you're out on the trail. So, when was the last time